Hi friends, today I am at Nandana Palace, RR Nagar branch. I have made 5 teams. These are all the beautiful staff of Nandana. What have you done in this activity? ಏನಿದು?
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು?
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ? Do it whatever you want to do.
ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ರಪ್ಪ?
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ? ಮಾಡಿ ಬಟರ್ಫ್ಲೈ ಟೈಪ್. ಬಟರ್ಫ್ಲೈ ಹೀಗಿರುತ್ತಾ? Do it like a butterfly. Okay, good. Now the team number 2. What is it? Flight. Nandana company. Nandana Boeing company. RR Nagar branch. Okay. Okay. Now the team number 3. Yes. What is this? What? God? God or Durga Mata. Durga Mata, you should come front. You go come. Durga is stand. Okay, here only. Okay, back. Go back there. Okay, do it. Do action. So this is Durga Mata. Durga Mata is smiling well. Okay, come. Team number 4. Oh, with smile, heart with smile. Okay, good, great. What is it? Come.
All should be equal. We should not differentiate anybody.
All should be equal. We should not differentiate anybody. All are here. Different type of staffs are here. So we wish you all the best. So Nandana is a happy family. Nandana is nothing but an extended family. Nandana stands for greatness. Okay, you are all great. I wish you all the best. Bye.
ಇದೇನು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಮತ್ತೆ
Same thing you do.
जो मालूम नहीं है सर सिखाएगा दैट हैज टू बी
तुम लोग क्या सोचते हैं
ऐड ऑन टू योर वर्क प्लेस सिंपल
Set to cross check for yourself. Very good. So you
एमन स्पाइन
Okay. Okay.